Today we're cleaning the 2006 Chevy SS using the MAXL Method Complete System. It's our go-to system to clean, shine, and protect your vehicle without all the hassle. To start, we're going to be cleaning the engine bay, the wheels, and the body using MAXRemove and MAXWash. After that, we're going to protect it with MAXEasy, and then finally we're just going to dry it off with our MAXL SoftSorb Drying Towel, and it's good to go. We're starting things off under the hood. For this step, we're actually going to be using MAXWash. All we did here was just dilute it into one of our dilution bottles, spray it in there. You can easily see that it's just foaming up as we rinse it off. Luckily, this engine bay was pretty clean already. However, if yours is a little dirtier, we would recommend MAXRemove first, just dilute it down a little bit, and then use a soft detailing brush to loosen up any of that hard stuck grime. If you do the MAXRemove, just go back over it with MAXWash to make sure all the pH levels are balanced out. We're gonna start with MAXRemove. This is what we wanna use first on the wheels, the body, pretty much everything. What MAXRemove is just, it starts breaking down brake dust, dirt, road grime, iron, all the contaminants on the surface before you go and wash it so that you don't scratch your paint. Apply MAXRemove directly into the wheels and tires. It instantly starts breaking down the brake dust, dirt, and road grime. For a deep clean, use a wheel brush to scrub between the spokes, around the lug nuts, in the barrel, and make sure not to forget the tires. You can either do MAXRemove in two ways. You can spray it straight onto the surface, or you can put it in a foam cannon and then just spray it around like we're doing now. You can also dilute it if needed, like right here. This is 4:1 ratio because the truck isn't too dirty. Spray it on, let it sit for about 30 seconds, and then you can safely rinse it off. MAXRemove safely dissolves grime without damaging your paint. Rinse it off, and now we're ready for a foam wash. We're gonna be using MAXWash 2.0 for this. It's our upgraded formula, and it foams like nothing else. Just look at that. This will help us get that final deep clean. The foam sticks to the surface, it cleans to everything, and lifts the dirt effortlessly. I'm using the YellowCell Hypersoft sponge to clean the surface of this car and get all the bugs, dirt, and extra grease and stuff off of it. Now that MAXRemove has done its job, we don't have to worry about scratching. And the YellowCell sponge is actually designed to help lift up that dirt and protect your vehicle's paint even more. Once you're done cleaning the surface with the YellowCell Hypersoft sponge, all you gotta do is just rinse it off, and then we're ready for the next step, which is MAXEasy. And you can see as we go around and rinse the truck off here, a lot of these panels are sheeting. Sheeting is not good. What it means is that no water is coming off the surface easily. And with that, it's gonna be holding in dirt, grime, and everything else, making your car look dirtier and stay dirtier longer. Rinse off the foam, and we're already starting to see a big improvement here, but we're not done yet. We're adding protection. MAXEasy is our Triphene coating that adds instant gloss, instant shine, instant protection, and instantly turns your vehicle's surface into a hydrophobic layer. And you can spray this literally everywhere on your car. So we start with the engine bay, a couple of sprays on the front, and then we're gonna go back and start rinsing. You can immediately see the water beads on the engine bay. And if you see these white suds, you actually want to get that off. That just means there's an excess amount of MAXEasy there, and we don't want that to dry. If there is any excess left over, you can always just buff it out with the MAXL Drying Towel. MAXEasy is very easy. All you have to do is spray it on there while the surface is still wet, because it's our spray on rinse off coating that adds shine, protection, and hydrophobicity instantly. On this hood, this thing is completely sheeting. Like, there's no protection there. You can literally see as you spray MAXEasy, the water sheeting immediately stops. And this is on an older, worn out paint. On this fender, all it really takes is one. The wheels, I would say one big spray or two half sprays, like those were half sprays. Right here, sprayed it on, look at those wheels, already beating. On the door, you can go either two ways. You can do it as an X pattern, which helps more easily cover the whole thing, or you can go in lines. Some of the larger panels may need more than two sprays, like you see on the hood, it really required 3. So, you know, just be lenient with MAXEasy. You can always go back if there's an area that's not performing like you expected it to, and reapply in that area. It saves a lot more time and product. And MAXEasy is amazing on glass. Like, you can just look at that and tell it's insanely hydrophobic. MAXEasy can be applied to anything. It can be applied to the engine bay, the body panels, the glass, the rubber, the plastic, the exhaust tips, and it'll turn every single surface into a hydrophobic layer. And look how much was used. It's a fraction of the bottle. You can easily coat this truck 6 more times with the amount we used. And then finally, last step is actually just to dry it off using the MAXL SoftSorb Drying Towel. Its ultra absorbent fibers make drying quick and easy, leaving no streaks or scratches. As you can see, all you gotta do is just throw it on there and pull it, and it just lifts water off the surface. You can see as he dries the door, that reflection is insane. All it took was one pass on each panel, and this truck is completely dry. And it takes one towel to do that, with no streaks left over. And there you have it, the complete MAXL method. You can achieve pro-level results in minutes without the hassle, all with this one bundle. Upgrade your car routine today. Head to maxl.com and get yours today.